Welcome back to the Wonderful Life Travels. We're Tim and Deanna. Today we'll show you our Sunset Sky Suite, number 10267, on Celebrity Apex. Sunset Sky Suites are located on the aft of the ship. Ours is on the port side corner, 4 decks above Eden. Now that the room is all cleaned up, we can show you around. It's got one of these more kind of a luxury style bed, like a better mattress than the regular staterooms. Also, they provided a bottle of champagne and 2 glasses, which is a nice touch. Everything you see here is very similar to a regular balcony stateroom, except everything that's stocked in the mini fridge we can drink. It's included, and we can have our butler bring different items if we'd like, or more of certain things, and we have little contact business cards if we need to reach the butler or the stateroom attendant or any of that. The thermostat also controls other parts of the room, like the window shades. If you click morning, the shades will open. If you put on like the movie setting, it dims the lights somewhat. If you hit the sleep button, it turns off all the lights and shuts the curtains. It is a fair amount larger than any balcony stateroom we've been in thus far. The left side of the bed has the power outlet and 2 USB outlets. The right side does not. The couch is a little deeper than a couch in an ordinary stateroom. The drawers, just like on the Ascent and a regular balcony stateroom, have the dividers between the 2 sides, which is kind of a nice touch. They also have that little power box that has the European outlets, the American outlets, the USB outlets, all inside. The desk comes apart. You can pull the chair away, and then the desk that's in front of the lighted mirror can slide kind of like that, and that exposes the full-length lighted mirror. The first closet you come to has 2 complimentary umbrellas, a small one and a large one. You can take those off the ship with you when you head out for the day if you're expecting any rain. They get a complimentary beach bag. There's also a pair of complimentary binoculars you can use when you're going off the ship or to view from your balcony. There is a safe for valuables and 3 small drawers. The larger closet has 2 kind of deluxe robes. They're lined robes when you're in the retreat, which is different than any of the robes on the ship outside of the retreat. There's also 2 pairs of slippers provided as well. There's an abundance of hangers available as well. You don't have to bring your own hangers for certain. And there's also a full-length mirror on the inside door of the closet. The bathroom is a solid door that divides it from the rest of the stateroom, and it has a double sink, which is a little bit larger than anything we've experienced thus far on a cruise ship. There's plenty of shelves to store all of your toiletries and such. There's even an under-sink drawer, which is kind of located in the center, and that's got some extra supplies in it. The under-sink drawer to the right has a hairdryer, and they're all soft closed drawers. A few things that aren't in an ordinary stateroom. They give you some complimentary lip balm and some hand and body lotion, some cotton swabs, and a little container of cotton balls for removing makeup and that sort of thing. Now, there's a little alcove off to the left of the bathtub, and that's got kind of vanity space. There's a little stool you can pull out, and above that is a mirror, as well as a little bit more storage and a magnifying mirror. This is the first bathtub we've ever seen on a cruise ship cabin of at least one of ours, and you can almost fit 2 people in here. It's so large. It has a glass door that swings in. There's included kind of boutique shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. A number of different shower settings. There's a direct setting that's about waist high. Then there's kind of a head high straight out. Then there's the rainfall shower, and then there's a separate detachable shower wand as well.
The toilet is in its own little room. It's got a frosted glass door that kind of divides it from the rest of the bathroom, which is nice for privacy and such. The balcony, like I said, is probably the ultimate plus to this particular suite at the aft of the ship, because you've got a little space if you want to sit and have a cocktail in the evening or breakfast in the morning with a table, and that view at sunset is stunning. If you're enjoying this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. It's absolutely free and it'll help our channel grow. Thanks for watching. Let us help book your next cruise vacation. Contact us at Deanna@thewonderfullife.com. And remember, keep living the wonderful life.